In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and replace text in a spreadsheet on Google Sheets. We'll start from the very beginning so you can follow along easily. Open your web browser and go to the Google homepage. In the top right corner, look for the small grid icon. This is the Google Apps Launcher. Click it to reveal Google's app menu, then choose Sheets to open Google Sheets. If you don't see it right away, you may need to scroll within the Apps panel. Once Sheets opens, select the spreadsheet you want to edit. Make sure you're on the correct tab at the bottom if your file has multiple sheets, and give the page a second to finish loading so the tools respond instantly. To search for text, press Ctrl and F on your keyboard. On a Mac, that's Command and F. You'll see a small Find box appear in the top right area of your sheet. This box is great for quick searches, but to replace text throughout your sheet, we'll expand it. Click the three vertical dots on that Find box to open the full Find and Replace panel. This larger panel gives you more control and options so you can replace confidently. In the Find field at the top, type the exact word or phrase you want to locate. Google Sheets will look for that exact text, so spelling, spaces, and punctuation matter. If your data varies by capitalization and you care about that, remember there are options like Match Case in this panel. You'll also see that Google Sheets highlights matches in your sheet as you type, which helps confirm you're targeting the right content. Now, in the field directly below, type the text you want to replace it with. Take a moment to double-check spelling and formatting here. Replacements update your data everywhere they're applied, so it's worth being precise. If you make a mistake, don't worry. You can always undo right after the change. When you're ready, click Replace All. Sheets will scan and update all matches based on the settings shown in the panel, such as whether it searches the current sheet or a broader scope. You'll usually see a brief confirmation telling you how many replacements were made, which is a helpful way to sanity check the result. Finally, click Done to close the Find and Replace panel. Give your sheet a quick review to ensure everything looks correct. If something isn't right, use Undo to revert the change immediately. That's it. You've just used Google Sheets Find and Replace to update your data quickly and accurately.